During this video, we make cordless electric windows on this Grand Cherokee. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are gonna rob some full-size doors off this Grand Cherokee. If you've been following along on the channel, we have cut our Grand Cherokee doors in half to make half doors on our off-road rig. But now we have a dilemma. This weekend we are going to go off-roading. Little birthday coming up, so we're going to go off-roading for my birthday. And guess what? After we cut those doors and made some sweet half doors on our off-road rig, it's supposed to rain. Yeah. So it's supposed to rain all weekend, and we already have the full doors off a parts rig, so why not rob these doors and put them on our Grand Cherokee for the weekend. But the problem is, to our problem, these doors are electric. So I have the answer. We're going to make these doors cordless. We're going to use a drill. We're going to make cordless electric doors on this Jeep. Well, not this Jeep, our other Jeep. Anyways, first we got to remove these doors and put them on our off-road rig, then make cordless electric windows. So therefore we'll have doors that we can remove. We'll have cordless electric windows on this door, and then we'll have half doors that we can use in the summer, and we won't have to deal with all the electronics going through the door. Enough talking. Let's rip this door off and go get it mounted on our off-road rig. Let's open this door and see what we got. Already missing the lock, but it's an off-road rig, so we won't need those. What's here? Look at that! Some connectors that fell out. Oh, there's Harley Davidson floor mats in here. Well, looks like someone was already into this and already took the panel off for us. I was gonna take this panel off and see if I can access. I want to roll this window down. I want to give you guys a sneak peek of what I'm thinking here about making these cordless. Got this wire bundle. This actually goes down underneath the dash, and there's a connector under there that isn't too difficult to take off, but I want to get out of here, so let's cut these. Snipsy snip. Go snippy snip and don't come back. These don't really go wide enough. Oh, already cut something. More cutting. More cutting. Oh, these snips don't go wide enough. It's kind of annoying. Well, gee willikers. That was easy. Okay, which one goes to the motor? Where? This one? Yes. Yes. There's the motor. Yellow. You know, I never like cutting these off right at the end. I always like to give it a little. You know, I'll probably never use this again, but what if I had to? Then you could easily snip that back in. Well, you know what? I'm making this 10 snips work. Drill. This is how we make cordless electric windows. B to plus. Now we just got to remove these 4 bolts, which is 10 millimeter. We're out of here. Well, we got to do the other door. but I will spare you the time. And I'll just show you this one door. And then I'm going to show you that I need a battery. But then I'm going to show you, I took another drill like this and completely disassembled it. And we get easy connectors, and we'll be able to roll down all 4 of our windows on the Grand Cherokee. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. These doors are a lot heavier than they look too. Not the half doors that we made though. So let's load this up. We'll head back to my place and we will install some full doors again on the Cherokee, but make them cordless. Well, we got the doors loaded up. So let's go throw them on the Goldie project. I did take those mats out, those Harley Davidsons. And then, you know, we need another handle. Found some cards, deck cards. I found this from another vehicle next door. That's going to the junkyard too. Look at it. She's still good. The cordless electric windows. We hacked up this drill. It's got a 20-volt lithium battery. Just a cheap Black & Decker. I got 2 batteries. So one for this and one for a light. So we got 2 batteries. Ordered these SAE connectors. Cut it in half. So then we wired the other half. We disassembled the drill, took the motor out. Now we have a cordless electric windows when we remove the doors on the Cherokee. Should we test it? See, it doesn't work that way. Boom. Boom. Say hello to my little friend. Now we got to put this half of the connector on these guys. And that goes to the motor for the door. So once we put that on there, this guy will connect to the drill. And then we can test this theory again. Pretty excited about it. You gonna hook it up? Try it out. Okay, switch, let go. Now we gotta switch it in reverse. Okay, now try. Okay, now we gotta switch it the other way. Whoa, cool! Alright, let's do some bonus footage on building some grab handles for the ZJ. We got these grab handles gifted to us, but they are for a YJ. So therefore, they don't fit in the ZJ. My thoughts are to put them on the A-pillar in the inside of the Jeep. These grab bars are from grabbarusa.com. So here's the grab bar for the Wrangler YJ. Thinking about something like that. Let's see what we got to do to make this happen. So I'm thinking about putting the grab handle right about here. Now we have to remove the plastic, which I think is fairly, very easy. So now we will find a mounting spot here. I'll let you know what we're going to use to do the mounting. I'm thinking about doing rib nuts on the A-pillar to mount the grab bar. Get a mounting location, and then we will hack this plate off and then readjust the handle so it lives like this. Look at these custom grab handles. Yeah, I'm thinking something like that. So I'll mark the holes, drill some holes, and then put the rib nuts in. Then we can put the plastic back on, that plastic molding. And we'll have ourselves some grab handles. So we just got those tacked welded in there right there right now to see what position we wanted. And now we can burn it in. We got the A-pillar marked with the marker. Now we're going to drill some holes here. So we're going to use these rib nuts. We got this tool. If you're not familiar with the channel, if you watch some of our previous videos, we like using these rib nuts. They work quite well. Got to drill a little bit more. Don't worry, I got my safety squints engaged. This guy on here. Pop you in there. That should work quite well. Let me put the other one in, tighten it down, and I'll show you the final result. We did it. We got some new grab handles on the ZJ. These are gonna come in pretty handy. And the best part, they were gifted to us, but if you want to do the same mod for your ZJ, just go to grabbarusa.com. Cold snack?
3 days later.
Well, there you have it. We did it. We have 2 sets of doors now for the Grand Cherokee. We got the cordless windows on this door, and we got the half doors for the summer fun. Make sure if you like this video, you like and subscribe, and check out our other videos. And if you want to be a member of the channel, you get exclusive updates, and we do live videos on the members only. So if you want to become a member, make sure you click on the join button, and there's 3 different options that you can choose from to be a member on the channel. So I hope you guys liked what we did with the cordless electric doors that are now removable, and we can replace them with the other doors or go no doors. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.